Whenever you work on multiple layered documents, you always run into this situation where you might want to do some effect where it really needs to be flattened. And rather than flattening the image or making a copy that's flattened, it's a really neat trick to make a composite or flattened layer right within this layered document. And all we do is at the very top of this layered palette, we add a blank new layer. Make sure all the layers you want included are visible. If there are any layers you do not want to be included in this flattened copy, then you just hide that layer. Then you'll hold down Option or Alt, and from the pop-up menu choose Merge Visible. And because we have that Option or Alt key held down, it merges those all into this one layer. So now I have this flattened layer sitting right on top of all the other ones that I can then work with. I'm just going to undo that to show you can also do it through the keyboard. If you like keyboard shortcuts, Command Option Shift E will do the same thing in one quick step. Now here's the one thing you have to keep in mind is you have all the original layers underlying that top copy. So if you make any change to any of these underlying layers, for example, if I click on this person, get my move tool and try to move it, it appears as though nothing's happening. It really is moving, it's just because it's underneath this original. So what I'd have to do in this case is throw out that layer and then redo those steps of doing a composite layer. So anytime you make any changes to the underlying layers, don't forget this top layer will not change. But it's a great way of creating a flattened version right within your layered document. I'm Dave Cross. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again next time soon on another episode of Video Tips for Photoshop.